ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ ಏನೀಗ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಓದೋ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಭರಿತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರೇ ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಿಪಾಯ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಾರಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಾರಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು ನಾವು ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ 31 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. 31 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಎಂಪರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೌತ್ನಳ್ಳಿ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ 600+ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು 5ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಇದು. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9th ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 10th ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pre-KG to 7th ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪಾಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಕಾಮಿಡೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LKG to 7th ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪೋಷಕರು ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗಿಂದಾನೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ LKGಯಿಂದಾನೇ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರನೂ ಏನು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳ ದೇಶದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು, ಈ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಇದು ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 30 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, KS ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, KEs ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ 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 ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ಸ್ವಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸನ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆತ್ತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಡೋಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇಂತಿ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಶಂಕರ್.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prita. I am studying 2nd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidyasamastha. My model is Indian states and their capitals. India is our country. There are 29 states in India and also their capitals. India. The largest state of India is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. The smallest state is Goa and its capital is Bihar and capital is Gujarat. Bihar's capital is Patna. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Manoj. I am studying 1st standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidyasamastha. My model is India Gate. India Gate is a famous war memorial in New Delhi. It built for soldiers who died World War First. The movement of 42 meters tall. Sir Elder Ladder designed it as the All Indian Memories. It looks so beautiful with immediately lights at night. The large green glow around the popular picnics. Construction machine finished in 1931. It is a single fashion symbol for national pride and bravery for India. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sharan. I am saying 6th and my school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is air cooler. Air cooler is a device of cooling the air. It works as the floating of the air over the object to be cool. Ice cubes are commonly placed in it to help the content inside stay cool. In summer, most of the people must use cooler. Air cooler are used in buildings, rooms and vehicles. Some coolers have built-in cup holders in the lid. Air has to be cool, which it is expected to remove the heat. Thank you.
My name is Tanvi. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya. My project is components of these components of four main components. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins. Proteins help build our muscles. Vitamins provide use from decisions. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Fats use much more energy than carbohydrates.
Janvi. I am from class 11. I have studied 11 years from this school. This school have learned me a lot. Me and my brother also studied in this school. This school made a wonderful science exhibition, everything. There are still more to tell about this school. We are enjoying this wonderful day. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Utsav Kosar. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is geometrical park. The geometrical park abstracts geometry into physical playground designed to make learning shapes and angles and measurement exciting and memorable. See at this line station we have types of lines like parallel lines, perpendicular lines, straight lines, intersecting lines. See the station of angles. Types of angles. Acute angle less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree. Straight angle 180 degree. See the station of types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilaterals are parallelogram, square, rectangle, oval. See, spindle is has three shapes. It has two edges and no verticals. See the types of set operator is diameter, center, secant, radius, or secant. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Aryapriya. I am studying 2nd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project is types of powder. There are many types of powders. House is a place which people live. Achas in the villages. Boat house is a underwater. Eagle is made of ice. And bungalows is the eagle is a Good morning everyone. My name is Mitashri. I am studying first at my school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is desert. Desert are land area that get very little water, less than 25 centimeters a year. Some deserts are hot and cold. Many have sand dunes, rock mountain, even ice. There's very little water in desert. Camel is the king because they travel without drinking water. Everyone, my name is Ashita. Staying first standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is types of leaf. Leaf is a part of a green plant that makes food. Sunlight photosynthesis. Simple leaves have one single divided blanket. Compound leaves have one stick like a rose. Thank you. Morning to everyone. My name is Afrin. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is Smart City. A smart city is a modern city that uses technology to improve people's life. It has good roads, clean water and proper electricity supply. There are smart traffic lights to revolve traffic jams. Public transport like buses and metros are well managed. They make living comfortable for people. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Syed Mujahid. I'm studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is family tree. Family tree show who our family connected. My family is happy. My family is happy family. My family is small family. There are 4 members in my family. I love my family very much. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Harshita. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project is articles. Articles is a word that comes before a noun. Example, a and the. A used before a word that that has a vowel consonant sound. Example, a chair, a fruit, a bird, a dog, a man, a child. And used before a word that has a vowel sound. Example, an idea and wool and hover and ant and egg and orange. The used before a specific person, place or a thing. Example, the wind, the weather, the sun, the earth. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Nuran Fatima. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project model is global warming. Global warming is increase in the temperature. Greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming. It is very harmful to living being. It also affects the balanced ecosystem. It results in extreme climate change. It is a national but a global problem. Human activities are also responsible for global warming. It is very harmful to living being. Due to increase in global warming, diseases are also increases. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅವ್ರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಕೂಲೇ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರೋ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ತಿದ್ದಿ ರೂಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಾಕು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದೇ ಸಂತೋಷ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ.
Hello everyone, my name is Shafi. I am studying 4th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is mini volcano. A mini volcano is a pretend volcano made from simple things like baking soda. The mixture inside the bottle is hot magma deep inside the earth. The foamy liquid that flows out, it is like hot lava. The bubbles are like smoke and ash that come out. The bubbles are like smoke and that come out. The mountain shape built around the cone made up of old lava ash. Volcanoes show how it is hot it is inside the earth. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Afifa Fatima. I am studying 2nd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project is solid shapes. Solid have equal shapes and volume. Solid do not need a container to order. Solid can become pressed. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Square have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Rectangle have 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. Thank you. To everyone, my name is Sufia Khanum. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is types of plants. Plants are living things. They are growing and making food for us. There are 5 main types of plant. Trees are very big and tall plant. They have hard and thick stem. Shrubs are medium size plant. They have thin but woody stem. Herbs are small plant. They have soft and green stem. Climbers are weak plant. They need support to grow. Creepers have very weak stem. They are growing on the ground. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Abdul Wahid. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is kidney function. Kidney are two being shaped organs. They are part of the urinary system. Their main function is to filter waste substances from the blood and excrete them in the form of urine. They are located at the back of the body, below the ribs and between hips. Normally, adults' kidney weight 150 grams. The length of another's kidney is 10 to 12 centimeter. Their main function is to filter the blood, control blood volume, is pressure control the pH of the blood. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Sai. I am studying first standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Sastha. My ward is hospital. The hospital is a modern preferably city town and village. A person goes to get liquid for illness and injury. There are medical store in hospital. There are doctors and nurses in the hospital. The hospital very clean and hygienic. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammed Khan. In third standard, my school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is solar system. The sun, it is the center of the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and very hot. Venus is the hottest and bright. Earth is our home planet. Mars is called the red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn is known as its beautiful ring. Uranus is a cold planet. Neptune is the farthest. The sun. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Nimhan. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is culture of Kerala. Kerala is state in the southern part of India. Kerala is a beautiful state in India. Adar Gopal Krishnan is a famous filmmaker from Kerala. He has won many national and international awards. P.T. Usha is a famous Indian athlete from Kerala. She took part in many international running competitions. Mohanlal and Mammootty are famous actors from Kerala. Kathakali is a famous classical dance. It uses colorful costumes, face experiences to tell stories. Pulikali is a traditional folk dance where people paint their bodies like tiger and dance during Onam. Thank you.
ಬೆಳಚಂಗ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಾರ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ತಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಸುಮಾರು 2099ರಲ್ಲಿ 1918-99ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸಪಾಳ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಥರನೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಆ ಥರ. ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಈ ಥರನೂ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವೊಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Tabasuma. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project is first aid box. First aid box means help us to someone who gets hurt. It is first help before a doctor comes. A first aid box contains bandage, cotton, and the medicine. It is fund the homes and schools. It is good that we kept in every home. Everyone should know how to use it. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Nikhil. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is volcano. A volcano is a mountain. It has an opening at the top. Hot lava comes out some ash. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mridul Sima. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between to the sun and the earth. The moon blacklists the sunlight, so the sun look particularly covered. It happens only new moon day. There are 3 types of solar eclipse: particular solar eclipse and
and total and aluminium. We should use special looking directly at doesn't damage our eyes. We should use special eclipse glasses to see it safely. A solar eclipse lasts from a short time. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Muspira. I am studying 1st standard my school. name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samman. My model is traffic light. Traffic light important for safety. When red light we stop, when green light we go. When yellow light get red. Traffic rules are imposed by the government. We should.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Apranjam. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is solar powered irrigation. This model shows solar powered irrigation which uses energy from the sun to water crops. Solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. This electricity runs the water pump which left the water from the source of water. Then it is supplied to the field through but solar irrigation does not need diesel or electricity, so it is eco-friendly and affordable. It reduces pollution and very useful for farmers. Thank you.
मेरा बने I am studying 7th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is earthquake alarm. An earthquake alarm is a device designed to alert the people about an earthquake. It provides warning before start shaking. By this we can estimate location and magnitude. It is help us to be alert and protect ourselves and improve safety by allowing time to react. It is called as minimizers and potential. It is help us to be minimizers and potential damage of society. It can also minimize and integrated by mobile with alerts. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Halima. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is Lataka Pilgrimage. Haji is a journey to the holy city of Makkah. Muslims from all over world go there every year. They pray, walk around the Kaaba and ask forgiveness. A mosque is a house to pray. All Muslim people visit mosque, help people feel closer Allah and teach peace. Thank you.
My name is Sumer Kusum. I am studying in my school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is family. Father, mother and children, all and family. There are 4 members in my family. I have small family. My father name is Kushi Sasha. My mother name is Sindita. My sister name is Anna. These are my family members. They are mother, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, cousin. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammad Zuhair. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is germination of the seed. Germination is the process by which seeds grows into a new plant. The seed needs water, air and warmth to germination. When the seed gets its cells and the seed calyx broke, the root radish comes out first to grow downward. Leaves appear and the studio making this on foot. Soil help providing support and nutrients. Germination help providing growing new plants and maintaining life on earth. Thank you.
श्री गायत्री स्कूल मेरी भी बेटी LKG से 6th स्टैंडर्ड तक पढ़ता है। अच्छा एजुकेशन है और अच्छी आगे बढ़ रही है, अच्छा पढ़ती है। साइंस एग्जीबिशन अच्छा होता है और भी अच्छे यही टीचर्स भी अच्छा बच्चा के ऊपर ख्याल रख रही है। अच्छा ये दे रही है पर ये अच्छा है क्या तो भी बोले तो भी बच्चों को इम्प्रूव कर रही। विद्या स्कूल अच्छी है श्री गायत्री। इसमें भी प्रोजेक्ट दे रही है बच्चों को। बच्ची भी मेहनत अच्छा कर रही है, मेहनत से अच्छा इंटरेस्ट है को हमें ये पढ़ना ये करना को बच्चों को इंटरेस्ट अच्छा है। हमारी बच्ची भी प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा बनाई, हमारा भी इंटरेस्ट है बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं को।
Good morning to everyone. My name is Arhan Ahmad. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is forest. Forest is a place where the many trees and plants will grow. Forest is a home for many animals like birds and insects. Forest gives us oxygen which helps us to breathe. Forest help in bringing rain. Trees gives us medicine, food, paper, etc. We should protect forest from plants and more trees. Forest is maintaining the balance of the nature. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sasya. I am studying 7th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is Rashtrapati Bhavan. The meaning of Rashtrapati Bhavan is Presidential Palace. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official home of the President of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first President of India and occupied this building for the first time as a President. Earlier it was built as the Viceroy of India and it was called Viceroy's House. It is located in the New Delhi. It consists of 4 floors and 340 rooms. Inside the estate there is presidential beautiful Mughal garden. Draupadi Murmu is the present President of our India. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Tehrim. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is eye. The eye helps us to see the object around us. It is an important sense organ of our human body. The eyes gives color to the eye and control the size of the pupil. The lens focus light on the retina. The retina forms the image on the object. The optic nerve carries message to the eye from the brain. We should take care of our eyes and should proper lights and thank you. Morning to everyone. My name is Zainab Khanam. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. The model is flags of the world. Every country has its own flag. A flag is the symbol of a national. Flags have different colors and designs. Each color on a flag have a special meaning. The Indian flag has saffron, white and green with the Ashoka Chakra. The flags of Japan has a red circle. The flags of USA has stars and subs. The flags of French has 3 vertical colors, blue, white and red. We should always respect our national flag. Thank you. My name is Mohammad Siddiq. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is respiratory system. The respiratory system is helping us day and night. We cannot live without breath. Air enter our body through nose or mouth. The nose clean the air and making air going through nose or windpipe to the lungs. We have 2 lungs in a church. Lungs give help for oxygen. Oxygen give help for work and play. We breathe out carbon dioxide which is wasted. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammad Nabi. I am studying 1st standard. I am a school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is Baba Karnataka and district. Hello everyone. My name is Sanjata. I am studying 1st standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is forest on love. This color which means forest we are oxygen to life. We get things from the forest and our life. After to survive by saving forest, you will say all everything. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Syed Rakibul. I am studying 4th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is Red Fort. Red Fort of the Lal Killa because it's made up of red sandstone built by the famous Mughal employer Shah Jahan in Delhi. It has big beautiful gates like a Lahori gate. Inside kind halls, buildings and a very important place in India's history, representing freedom, a mix of India's Persian and European art style. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dikshita. I am studying 2nd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project is sources of water. Water is important for life. Life cannot exist on earth without water. Water is essential for drinking, bathing, etc. Water comes from many sources: oceans, river, lake. All examples of various sources of water: lake, river, pump, well, sea, ocean, fountain. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is 7th. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the processing which green plants has sunlight to make their food. Photosynthesis is necessary for life on the earth. It is very important because all things depend on food. Photosynthesis requires chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Chlorophyll is a substance in all green plants. It is especially present in leaves. Plants take in water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Green plants use light energy to take water and carbon dioxide from the air. During the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is released. Thank you.
Vidyarthi, I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is concept day and night. Day and night are formed due to the Earth's rotation. Earth's rotation is the movement of the Earth around its axis. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Earth is a sphere. At any point in half of the Earth takes 24. Night time it will be dark, but some amount of sunlight will be received due to the reflection by the moon. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammed Munaram. I am studying in UK. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My product is pulses and kills. Pulses are edible. Taste of food. Pulses are edible. Seeds. They belong to the legume family. They come in variety shape.
Hello everyone, my name is Aratha. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. The model is terrestrial farming. Terrestrial farming is a method of farming used in a hilly mountains areas. In this type of land is cut into steps like a fall surface called terrestrial. This step look like stair on a hill. The terrestrial farming helps prevent soil erosion. Farmers can grow crops like rice, wheat, maize, tea and vegetables on terrace. Terrestrial farming is a complete seat in the Himalayas ranges of India. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone. My name is Arsalan. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is math symbols. My symbols are special signs in mathematics. Help you to calculation easy. Some common are symbols. Plus means side. Multiplication means multiplication. Equal means the answer.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾಬಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೇ ಓದಿದ್ದು. ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 3rd to 5th ಓದಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಚರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾರೂ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ತೊಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಅವರು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟು ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ಲಬ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಗುರು
ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್
ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಷನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Everyone, my name is Samarnakat. My school name is Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thank you.
ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ಲು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟು. ಜಹಾಂಗೀರ್ ಮೊಹಲ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನು. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Noora and Fatima. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is global warming. Global warming increase in the temperature. Greenhouse gases are impossible for global warming. It is very harmful to living beings. It also affects the balance of the environment due to increase global warming. Diseases are also increases. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammed Asfad. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My pattern, my astronauts show the physical action like running, walking, jumping, swimming, dancing. Astronauts show all the use the daily life. Show the half center endeavoring, drawing, reading, walking, catching, running, drinking, carrying, eating, dancing. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Sofia Fatima. I am studying in LKG. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is zoo. Lion. There are so many animals in a zoo. Lion, elephant, zebra, tiger, giraffe, rhinoceros. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Nihat Pasha. I am studying 7th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is water pump from motor. As we all know that water is essential part of our life. A water pump from motor is a device that used to electric energy to move one location to another. A water pump is a device that used to electric energy to move one location to another. This can be usually used in constructing inside residential buildings and in homes. A water pump is used to move or transfer in lower level to higher one. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Azza Fatima. I am studying LKG. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is chef.
Good morning to everyone.
skills and intelligence.
Good morning to everyone. The students here are studying here, Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha, which is in Jangir Mohalla. Students are studying very good knowledge in your school. They are cooperating, gaining their knowledge, skill to develop students who talk in English. We see all teachers who communications in this project. Then my daughter also studying in this school in 7th standard. All children practice in very well. So we are very happy to students and parents. We are all cooperating in this exhibition. So that's all.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जहांगीर मोहल्ला मुलबागल और स्कूल गायत्री स्कूल के तमाम असातिज़ा और उस्तादों की और बने हुए बच्चे, तमाम बच्चों के माँ बाप जो आके यहाँ इंकरेज कर रहे हैं, उनको सबको सलाम। आज का दिन साइंस एग्जीबिशन मनाया जा रहा है। माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी तरह से इनॉग्रेट किए हैं टीचर्स और स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट, जितने भी आदमी लोग हैं वो बहुत से अच्छे से एक सिस्टमेटिक माशाल्लाह स्ट्रिक्ट सिस्टमेटिक से कर रहे हैं। और मेरी बेटी भी यहाँ स्कूल में मरियम शेख करके है, वो 7th स्टैंडर्ड है। वो माशाल्लाह एवर 7th है। अच्छे से अच्छा एजुकेटेड दे रहे हैं और बच्चों को भी अच्छा एनकरेज कर रहे हैं और अच्छे से अच्छा हर साल यहाँ साइंस एग्जीबिशन करते हैं और माँ बाप आके, उनके रिश्तेदार, भाई बहनें, उन्होंने सब आके यहाँ बच्चों को हौसला अफजाई कर रहे हैं। शुक्रिया।